Okay, little bit into mile 6, and this is just proof that I do go down when I'm hiking at some points on this trail. Not very often. Gotta be careful I don't slip, trip, or fall. Had a couple slips. Nothing that I've had to catch myself for, though. So, I just had a conversation with some bird. There were a whole bunch of them slithering about in front of me. So if anybody knows a bird that goes, let me know what kind of bird that is. Because they were cute little guys with, I think, kind of like a black back and a gray breast, little bitty. Kind of reminded me of chickadees. I don't know if those are the ones that were making the noise, but those are the ones that were flying around me. And they were keeping me company. Okay. This has been an interesting mile. Nope, not ibuprofen. Acetaminophen has kicked in. My foot's still tingly. My hip doesn't hurt as much, but my energy level dipped. Like I had to go up a hill, and I was like, oh, I gotta dig deep on this one. So, working to get to mile 7, 7.25, 7.5, to put me at the halfway point. And I fix my shoes. And maybe have some lunch. But if I take too long anywhere, I'm going to be hiking down and out in the dark. And I can't have that. So I gotta keep moving. Enjoying life and enjoying the journey every step of the way. That's pretty. Fun. Good times.